Linkage pens are critical for fast, smooth, and precise operation. Sometimes you'll need to remove them to replace a seal or cylinder. Here's how to remove attachment linkage pens on a Cat 938M wheel loader. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Even though we're working on a 938M with a quick coupler, the process will be similar for your Cat equipment. First, make sure your machine is on level, solid ground. Position the attachment just above the ground at a slight downward angle. Set the parking brake, and move the joystick to float the attachment. Now the attachment should rest flat on the ground. Support the bucket, linkage, and anything else that could move. This is important for your safety because cylinders and related components are very heavy. Also, be careful not to damage any grease lines as you work, and be sure to move any components that are in the way. First, remove the bolts on the keeper. Take off the keeper and snap ring, and carefully tap out the linkage pen with a hammer. Look for galling, cracks, and broken welds on the pen. Also look inside the sleeve bearing for damage, and replace the pen if it's damaged. Excess grease can contain contaminants, so clean it off with a cloth. Lower the dog bone to line up with the holes in the coupler. Insert the pen using a dead blow hammer if you need to seat it. Reinstall the snap ring and keeper bolts, and then reinstall anything else you had to move, such as grease lines and hoses. If not equipped with auto lube, grease the fitting once you're done. And even with auto lube, check all joints daily to make sure grease is flowing. For specific instructions for your equipment, you can look into Cat self-service options. SSO covers Cat parts, service instructions, recommended tools, and technical support. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.